All a scale is going from one step to the next step in order. It's kind of like going upstairs. With a C scale, which is where we're gonna live today, our thumb is gonna be on the C. And we're just gonna play every single white key in a row. And that's your scale. Now that takes a little bit of coordination if you're not used to moving one finger at a time, but we're just gonna live there today. Now, there are all kinds of scales, but this is a major scale. This is the most basic one, the main one that you need to know. Again, these are easy keys, so there's so much more to this, but you don't really need to know it yet. So we have our major scale, and we're doing 5-finger scales, which is not the whole scale. A normal scale actually goes from C to when you get to the next C, but we don't have that many fingers, so for these purposes, we're gonna do a 5-finger scale. So let's practice our 5-finger scale. We're gonna put our thumb on the C. You can do middle C if you want, which all middle C is what it sounds like. It's the middle part of the piano, middle C. Okay, so let's try it. Now what we wanna do again, we want nice curved fingers, okay? So, one at a time. That is our C scale. I do want to warn against one thing. We don't want to be doing any of this. We really want to try to push one note down and bring it back up at a time. One finger at a time. And the more you do it, the faster you can get eventually, you know? But we'll start here today. Again, it's going to help you just get faster at moving all the way across the piano. We're gonna do C, D, E, F, G, lift, next one. If you wanna say it, that's bonus points. Again, that's gonna help you memorize the notes. C, D, E, F, G. Time for left hand. Again, nice curved fingers. Let's do it. C, D, E, F, G. C, D, E, F, G. C, D, E, F, G. Now, if that is enough for you, go take that and practice it. But if you're like, that was too easy, I need a little bit more for my practice this week, we could make it a little bit more. We could go, here's my right hand, and then go back down. Almost like a seesaw. You only hit the top and bottom notes once, so you just kind of seesaw it and then see if you can get faster. That's your goal. We're just doing our basic 5-finger scales this week, and then do it with your left hand. Now, this is where coordination is going to go to the next level. It's going to be great. Here's the weird thing though. Obviously our fingers are backwards from each other. They're mirror images. So we're going to get some coordination going. Just think about playing 2 C's at the same time and dipping your pinky and your thumb. Then think about playing 2 D's, then 2 E's, which is both your middle fingers, then 2 F's, then 2 G's. Start there. Okay, now if you're feeling really confident, we can go a little faster. Might be able to go back and down. Again, like your fingers are seesawing. And there you have it. There is our C major 5-finger scale with both hands. Have fun practicing that this week, and I will see you next week for lesson 4.
Thank you for watching. If you like what you see, won't you like it and subscribe for me?